What's happening, go people? I go by the name Phoenix Flame. I'm a music producer straight out of South Africa. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make Amapiano like after the Small and DJ Maphorisa. But specifically we're gonna be focusing on their vocalist, which is Sha Sha. We're gonna make a soulful beat using arcade and contact. So we're gonna be working inside FO Studio. So let me play you what I have so that I can show you what I did. Alright, let's get straight into it. So yeah, that's actually far right there. Anyway, let's get straight into it. So the first thing that I did, I found this pack from Arcade. I think it's from Think Back. So it goes up something like this. Then I think I did couple of hi-hats also from that. Oh, I'm lying. It's not the hi-hats. Anyway, guys, Arcade, it's a plugin by Output. So I'm not affiliated with them, but I just figured I should share this with you guys. They bring out dope ass sounds, guys. Like you can hear this. Okay, then I got a guitar from Arcade. Sounds like this. Then I did some vocal chops from Arcade. Everything's gonna be from Arcade. Hooked from Arcade. Hey that.
Yes, sir.
Yes, so. Yes, so. Hey.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then another. So this is like an arpeggiator from Arcade. And there's another vocal chop. It sounds like this.
Good to me. 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 Good to me.
What else did I do? An acoustic already played that. Oh snap, guys! Decap dropped a new drum pack. It's free, totally free, free for free. You can get that pack. I used a couple of I think it's the kick from him. Simple first step in. Okay. Then it's some pack from KS4. Okay, before I go any further, do this, and then I'm gonna introduce all the elements inside from my playlist. Okay, let's go. It sounds like this. before I even continue, I have this bass with some keys on it. This button, I think it's button 9. So the bass from Trillion sounds like this. Then the bass. Then it's the rest of the percussions. Sounds like this. Sounds like this, like this. Then the moment that you all been waiting for is the log drum. Somebody's knocking on my door. Ungubani, come back later. Sorry about that. Log drum. Edit that slide at the end. Hey, hey. Hey. That knock. Anyway, it's some percussion. It is some bongos. I led my log drum with the bongo sound. Let's go sound like. Hey. Then yeah, that's about it. That's about it. That's the whole beat. Okay, lying. It's not the everything. The transition effect. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to make this today. Okay. First you add a reverb. Bring your wet level down. Some gross beat, like this trance gate. Right? Then a little bit of the delay. Then you get this. Then there you have it. You have a transition effect. I can't dance for shit, I know. But anyway, please like and subscribe my channel. I don't make Amapiano, but I do know how to produce any genre. I'm a hip hop producer. I love house music. I'm not criticizing anything, but that's how you make Amapiano. The easiest way to make Amapiano without knowing any music theory. Purchase Arcade, guys. Purchase Arcade. Anyway, it's a subscription based plugin. I'm not an affiliate. Right. Let's play the song one more time. Tell me what you think in the comment section. I'll probably do a part 2 of this where I'm mixing and mastering this beat. Right now it's just leveling out stuff here. So I'm probably gonna do a part 2 of this where I do the mixing and mastering of Amapiano. But my log drum, I think I added an R bars to it. That's what I did. Yeah, tell me what you think. And stay safe. When one day is locked down, you know what it is. So you're gonna be getting a whole lot of this, a lot of content. He's signing out.